To start with salt glaze. Salt glaze goes back to 1877. It was made by shoveling rock salt into the kiln at 2200 degrees. The salt would vaporize and create the orange peel effect. The blue is cobalt. It was dripped on like a cake decorator, and it created the decorations in front. The number stands for the amount of gallons. So the 20 would be 20 gallons. The 5 would be 5 gallons. The larger crocks were used for storing meat. The smaller ones were for pickles and sauerkraut. There's a double crock right there with a lid on it. That was a water filterer. The one in front of it was a water cooler. The churns are alongside of it. There's a jug behind it. There's a large bread bowl right down here. The salt glaze was made up until around 1895. Next, we're going to look at 5 jugs made around 1896. These are basically all one-of-a-kind jugs. Most of them were made for the windows of the store. The first one is F.A. Morley. That is a 30-gallon jug, one of the few 30-gallon jugs known. It was made for a bar about 3 blocks from here. The L.M. Perrone is a crock that was made for a company in Milwaukee. They were a stoneware company. They went out of business and they started buying pottery from Red Wing. The liquor jug down here from Michigan was for a liquor dealer in Houghton, Michigan. The 20-gallon jug down here is from Watertown, South Dakota. It was from a store that sold Red Wing stoneware. The Union jug behind was called the Director's Jug. They made 2 of them and they were used to promote the Red Wing. The salt glaze is some of the best folk art made. You can see all the different decorations. There's butterflies, there's leaves, there's lazy eights, there's ribs and targets. These are some of the decorations. The inside had an Albany slip because in the kiln they were upside down. And as they were upside down, the Albany sometimes would drip down, causing what we call turkey droppings in some of these jugs over there. These are very prized collections. People love the pieces with turkey droppings on them.